Welcome to how to make Korean fried chicken. In a saucepan, I'm going to add a little oil. Once it heats up, I'm going to add in my garlic and saute that until it's soft and it releases the aroma. Here I'm going to add honey. Next, I'm going to add in some gochujang, which is a Korean fermented chili paste. This is a staple in Korean cooking. You have to have a jar of gochujang. Once that's blended, I'm going to add about a little soy sauce just to give it a taste, because if you add too much, it'll overpower it. Once that's boiling, I'm going to add in a little mustard. This is going to give it a really great flavor. So once it's came to a boil and it's really hot, where the syrup will start caramelizing, I'm going to add in some chicken that I marinated and double fried the Korean style way. And I'm going to coat that over, make sure I'm getting all the pieces coated in the sweet goodness. This is really great for the holidays or even eating every night. It's so good. I love it. And you can make it as hot, as spicy, or sweet as you want. So make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe.